Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to turn right in 5 minutes. This will be a very simple, basic, and beginner driving lesson, and I'll be outlining all of the aspects of making a right-hand turn, and I'll try and keep the video short and sweet to around the 5-minute mark, give or take. Let's get right into the video. The first thing that you're going to focus on is your safety checks when you're turning right. Now, every single time that you turn right, before you turn right, you're going to have to check your mirror, your rear view mirror, your right side mirror, and your right blind spot. In addition, you're going to have to put your right signal on well in advance to let the other drivers and pedestrians know that you plan on making a right turn. Now, once you've done all of those things and potentially come to a complete stop, if there's a stop sign, you're going to turn the wheel to the right, and I'm going to show you the little nuances of steering that will allow your right turns to be super, super smooth. Very simple, and you're going to accelerate if you have to, or you're going to make sure that you are maintaining a good speed if you don't have to come to a complete stop. All right, enough talking. Let's demonstrate. I'm going to put the car in drive. I'm going to exit this parking lot, and I'm going to show you how to turn right in 5 minutes. So I'm approaching the edge of the parking lot. I'm going to put my right signal on to let everyone around me know that I plan on making a right-hand turn. I'm coming to a complete stop. I'm checking my rear view mirror, my right side mirror, and my right blind spot. I see that there are no cars, no pedestrians, nothing to worry about. Scanning the intersection, and I'm good to go. Now I'm going to turn the wheel, accelerate while holding the wheel, and then release it. And that is the little fine point of making a right-hand turn. You really want to make sure that you're able to turn the wheel, hold it, and release it. And I'll demonstrate in just a moment. So I want you to see one thing. I'm going to be approaching a wide variety of turns, and with each turn, whether I have to stop or not, depending on the situation, the key factor, one of the key factors, is to turn the wheel, hold it, and release it. So I just missed this right turn right here. I didn't see it coming, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a left turn over here, and then I'll make a quick right. So I'm going to make a left turn here, and the same thing goes with the left turn. You can see right here, turning the wheel, holding it, and releasing it. And I'm going to make a quick right up ahead. Now, I know that there isn't a stop sign over here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to slow down, put my right signal on, check my rear view mirror, my right side mirror, my right blind spot, look at the intersection, turn the wheel, hold it, and release it. Now, the key factor is honestly to practice, and I'll tell you why. And that was just a curve in the road. That wasn't a right-hand turn, the thing that I just did right here. The key factor is to practice, because as a beginner driver, you're not going to know how much to turn the steering wheel. You might understeer, you might oversteer, but when you practice, you'll get better and better. I'm going to make another right-hand turn right here. Once again, no stop sign. I've done all my checks, turning the wheel, holding it, and releasing it, just like that. And as you practice, you're going to get better and better at turning the wheel, holding it, and releasing it in the exact right positions, okay? Another quick little tip. It has to do with micro adjustments. Now, here's the thing. We're not robots, we're human beings, so we can't make the absolute most perfect turns. Instead, we make these little tiny adjustments with the wheel and the gas pedal throughout the turn to perfect them as much as we can. I'm going to make a right turn here, coming to a complete stop, my signal's on, checking my rear view mirror, my right side mirror, my right blind spot. I can see there's a car approaching over here. You can probably see it right over there. There we go. And two cars approaching. I'm going to wait until they pass. Now, since I've been here for a while at the stop sign, before I proceed, I'm going to check my rear view mirror, my right side mirror, my right blind spot. Again, looking at the intersection. And now, another key factor when making a right turn is that I am going to accelerate and turn the wheel at basically the same time. So I'm pressing the gas pedal and turning the wheel, holding it, and releasing it. And you'll notice that with the gas pedal, I'm not flooring it. I'm not going too quickly. I'm just easing into the gas pedal. And that's a key factor. If you want to make smooth right-hand turns, everything's got to be smooth. Your safety checks have to be smooth. Your acceleration has to be smooth. And also, your steering has to be smooth. Everything has to be nice and smooth. And that is a key factor in making proper right-hand turns. I'm at a stop sign once again, doing my safety checks, accelerating while I turn the wheel, holding the wheel, and releasing it just like that. Now, another thing is your hand positioning. For the most part, you want to start with your hands at 10 and 2, and then you can either use push-pull steering, or you can use hand-over-hand steering, or you can use one-handed steering if you're shifting gears while you're turning. It's up to you, but the key factor is to have control over the steering wheel. As long as you have control, you'll be good to go. And that's it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this little 5-minute driving lesson. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.